Hello, hope everybody's doing good today. Well, I got a Ozeri, I believe that's how you pronounce it, digital kitchen scale. We're going to be taking a look at coming right up. Well, I've been wanting a kitchen scale for quite a while, not just for in the kitchen, but one of the main things in the kitchen, I want to start getting into doing some canning and different cooking things for the channel here. But anyway, I picked this up, the Ozeri digital scale, and I thought I'd share it with you. It's supposed to be very accurate. I watched a gentleman on another video doing a video about this scale, and he had some little tiny weights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little grams, and sure enough, it was pretty accurate. So let's see, accurate, weighs up to 13.227 pounds, features 2 large buttons with an audible click to confirm that you've pressed them. Okay, well, let's open this up, take a look at it, and see how good this thing is. Time to sharpen the knife again, I think. Another thing I wanted to do with this, well, I'll take a snapshot of the back of the box and put it down here if you want to take a look at that. It comes very nicely packed. It does come in several different colors. I'll pop some of those up real quick for you here. Wow, it comes with a really thick book, more than likely because it's in, several different languages. Okay, I think we all know how to use a scale, so we'll put that aside for right now. It's very, very light, actually. Make it convenient and easy to store. It does come with some batteries. Not very good ones, so you'll probably want to think about having some extras on hand. It takes 2 AAAs. Okay, well there it is. Let's turn this on. And it's showing 18 ounces. Okay, now it's zeroed out. Well, I'm curious. Turn it off, turn it back on, and it's at 0. Okay. There it is there. And one of the main things I wanted in a scale was to be able to do tare weights. If you don't know what tare weights is, let me move this camera down on here so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, well, the main reason I wanted this one, or a scale that does tare weights, is so you could put a container on here, zero it out, and then measure just your product that you want. Just for demonstration, I want to put this glass jar on here, and I just grabbed the first thing I saw in my pantry, so bear with me. And let me stand up so I can see the front of the scale here. You can see the jar itself weighs 6.13 ounces. So we'll tear that out. And it even does minus, so if you wanted to measure something that way. Okay, so let's say that we needed a product that our recipe called for 1 ounce. What we could do is we could just, oops. Okay, let's say 1.66 ounces. Anyway, we're gonna be using this in some of our reviews coming up. I got some products that I wanted to use a scale to demonstrate the products. So anyway, this is the, oh, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Ozeri digital scale, and the cost on it was $11.50. And like I said, it comes in several different colors. I'll be putting those back down here again for you. So for now, thank you for watching. Stay prepared.